Whoa, not good. Good job laying him down. He's got full gear.
Situation is under control. However, as it later turns out, everything can change very.
Oh, the blur kind of. Boom. The blur didn't stay focused. So what do you think happened here? He probably had a full face helmet. Looks like he had a full face helmet. Why does he have a bloody nose and a bloody mouth? You're still going to get that. You're still going, if you hit your face first, you're probably going to hit the chin bar on your face and you might get a little bit bloody. But instead of no helmet, face first, and having your face ripped off, this is the best you can get. So it mitigates injuries. Now, yeah, it could have like a brain issue and he's bleeding out of his nose, but more than likely it's probably just like a bloody nose, maybe a broken nose, but it's better than a face just kind of ripped apart. So gear is very important.
Very quickly.
Está en la orilla, güey. Está hasta allá, güey. Se fue hasta la
Venga a checar la moto, güey.
Si la paramos, para que no esté tirada, güey.
Be careful with the road, though. We're walking in the road. You didn't even look if there's traffic coming. Be very careful. We're in the road, dude. Get off the road.
Atrás estaba otra ambulancia.
Sí, güey. Había dos accidentes.
I'm glad they checked on him before picking the bike up.
¿Dónde? Échenla para acá.
That bike is destroyed. You guys are in the road. It's making me nervous. It's making me nervous. Get out of the road.
No, güey.
Okay, the ambulance is helping, but people still.
Oye, Jorge. ¿Y el otro señor?
He's standing up. That's good. Oh. See what I mean? See what I mean? When it comes to rescue, ensure your own safety. Look for hazards. Get on the other side of the guardrail. You don't need to be standing on the road. This happens. You'd be surprised how often this happens. People are not paying attention. And he got hit. Thankfully, he didn't get smashed. His right knee.
¿Estás bien? ¿Están bien todos?
Sí, sí, sí.
¿Están bien todos?
Otra más. Ya valió más.
Yeah, now there's multiple patients on the road. His knee hurts.
Así que. Tranquilo, tranquilo.
¿Estás bien?
No, parece que.
So now we have multiple people. So you never know. And this is why you want to make sure that you don't add to the incident. Sometimes this happens. More people are added. This is why you have multiples of the rescue pack. I have a few left, but this is why I keep in my trauma kit at least 4 tourniquets, a bunch of stuff for at least 2 to 3 people. You never know.
¿Te duele la pierna? ¿Te duele? ¿Te duele la pierna?
If you're going to carry a backpack, carry some medical supplies just in case.
Sí, nomás. Espérame, ya se me va a pasar.
Probably hit his knee really hard. All right, we got anything else? So she's probably doing a triage right now. We have multiple patients, probably gathering multiple patients, calling it in, saying, hey, we need more resources on scene. That's all she can do. She can't just like start helping everybody. She needs to get more resources on scene. So she's doing that version of, oh, wrong one. She's doing that version of call 911. So she's basically calling more to get more people out before assisting.
¿Estás bien?
Más o menos. Sí, vámonos a la verga.
Está desatado el puto diablo, güey. No mames, este güey le
Ya me pegó de frente.
That person's on the ground. Looks like her leg got ripped open. You see the flesh color and the pants are kind of ripped? So at least 3 patients now. Oh, 4 with the driver.
No, está bien cabrón, güey. Está bien cabrón. Sí, güey.
5 with that. She was probably in the vehicle too. So that's technically 5. But we have 1 on the ground. So that's the one that's probably going to be the worst. All right, pause real quick. We have a sale going on for the Smart Rider games. It's the brand new games that is basically the Smart Rider Drills booklet, but it has rules, has actual like a competition aspect to it, what kind of gear to get, new design, and a bunch of different new designs here. And the cool thing is, with the digital booklet, you can actually click the QR code and it will take you to the video with my times and then how to actually do it. So go ahead and grab it. There's a discount going on right now called Game Time, 15% off. The physical booklets are coming into March. You can also get the cone kit there, but those are for pre-orders, but the digital is available right now. So go ahead and check it out. Yeah, this is why I tell you guys to go to the at least 100, 200 feet down the road and start telling people to slow it down because they're going to see you 200 feet away from the incident doing this, and they're going to be like, huh, that's weird. And they're going to start slowing down, and then when they finally get to the scene, they're like, oh, this is why. So what do we got here? Side of the vehicle? We got a vehicle come out? Let's see. So there's a lot of little intersections. There it is. Slow it down. Ooh, you almost dumped the bike. Slam the brakes. So good job braking to avoid that. Don't worry about doing the U-turn in the middle of the road. I mean, you could practice your Smart Rider game stuff doing that. So make sure you guys grab one. Yeah, front wheel locked up, smooth on a smooth part of the road. No ABS on the old ride. Oh, that's why progressive braking is very, very important. Driver's more sorry about the matter. My fear was my bike was going to get damaged. I still think it was more bike than me that kept it upright. Yeah, progressive braking will help out. Intersection, watch out. Okay. Oh, that was a line of sight issue. Hey, no, it's no one's fault. They didn't see you. You didn't see them. Look at that. Where's the vehicle? You don't know. They didn't see you. Let's go back even further. Can't really see you. You're probably blending in because you're such a small little target. It's the same thing, you know, unintentional blindness when car drivers are looking on the road for other hazards, other people on the road. They're looking for other cars. 95% of road rage users are other vehicles with 4 tires, basically. We are a very small part of it. So our brain literally shuts us off when it comes to seeing other motorcyclists. This is why, as a motorcyclist, you're a better car driver because you know there's motorcyclists out there. It's almost kind of like the idea of, hey, you're about to buy a brand new red F-150, right? Ford F-150. You're going to buy a red Ford F-150. You're thinking about it. All of a sudden, you start seeing Ford F-150s on the road, even red ones. You've never seen them before until you started thinking about that's what you wanted. Now you're seeing them all the time. That's the attentional. That's when you're being attentional to your vision. Inattentional is that you're not even thinking about it. You don't see it. Same thing with car drivers here. They don't see you because they don't ride. They don't look for you. They don't think about you. So they don't see you. So as motorcycle riders, we see other motorcyclists because we think about motorcycles. So if you understand that, don't be surprised when they don't see you. Just don't be surprised. So when it comes to this, apply a little bit of brakes, let them in, not a big deal, let them move on, you're done. Boosa Dad, thank you. All right, what do we got here? Same thing, intersection. Okay. Good job recognizing it. So located hazard, you don't have to do that. Locating hazard situation, we're gonna go ahead and navigate out of it. Little ape hangers, baby. All right, what do we got here? Everyone's stopped, usually an accident then. So if you do have the ability to rescue somebody, please do so. It's good practice and you're doing a service for the community. You might even save a life. There you go. So go ahead and park it up. It's gonna help out. Oh, put it in neutral. It just stalled right there. Very good. Make sure the side stands down.
You all right?
Very good.
Hi.
What do we got there? Oh, it's a little Harley.
You want any help getting up?
Please, if you could just try to move
Left knee. He's putting all his weight on his right leg, so his left knee is probably in pain.
right here, please.
Yep, no problem.
Very good.
Hold it, man, hold it.
Handled it.
Where do we put it at?
Shift lever is
Okay, it's no good
bent.
anyways.
That's fine. Yeah, helmet's not going to be any good.
I'm just gonna stick off.
I don't know if it's rideable.
Yeah, you're good.
Thanks for watching till the
Yeah, the guy's
end.
left leg is probably hurting a little bit. But yeah, thank you, Motostars. That was a 4-year-old video. I appreciate that. Guys, make sure you grab the Smart Rider games. It is available right now for digital download. The pre-orders for the physical booklet is going to be available real soon. But go ahead and grab it. Like I said, you can click the QR code and it will take you to the video so we can actually start going against each other. Friendly competition. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you on the next live stream.